This weekend marks 12 years since the earthquake and tsunami in Japan that caused the nuclear power plant in Fukushima to melt down. Now, the tragedy sent nuclear contamination across surrounding cities. And Jackie Ibanez shows us how one company is promoting greener manufacturing by turning the rice into a special plastic pellet.
The earthquake that struck Japan March 11, 2011 was the most powerful in the country's history. The disaster triggered a tsunami, which caused 3 nuclear reactors at the Fukushima Daiichi power plant to melt down, sending radioactive waste into the surrounding area.
I think it will get better.
Junichi Abe is a farmer whose rice fields were contaminated by the toxic materials. For more than a decade, the fields were empty until now. While Abe's rice won't be suitable for people to eat because of health concerns, engineers at a company called Biomass Resin are able to transform it into low-carbon plastic pellets.
This is a petroleum-based resin that was found in plastic materials, and this is rice. So the petroleum-based resin is mixed with rice to make pellets called rice resin.
The rice plastic is already being used to make toys and other products for large corporations across Japan. Biomass Resin also recently opened a factory near the Fukushima nuclear reactor. They hope it will inspire some of the thousands of people who haven't returned to the area since the disaster to move back.
If there are no jobs, then there isn't an environment for people to come back.
That was Jackie Ibanez reporting, and scientists test the rice before turning it into plastic to ensure it doesn't pose any radioactive threats.